Hey food friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Greek pasta salad. It's actually super easy. This is going to be a real quick video. I love pasta salad. I make all kinds of different versions, usually an Italian version, but lately I started switching up and making a Greek version. So that's what we're making today. So make sure that you have all the ingredients in front of you. The great thing about this salad is really you can go with any theme. So with the Greek theme, I like to stick with red onion and cucumber. It's just that classic kind of Greek salad. Also, if you have Kalamata olives, I believe I add black olives to this salad. You can mix it up in any way you want. Depends on what you or your family are into. Also, you can skin those cucumbers. I like cucumber skins, so I like adding those. It just holds onto their crunch a little bit longer, I've found. And I haven't added any tomatoes to this salad. You can, especially when I do an Italian version, I always add tomatoes. You just want to mix that in. Make sure that you are working with cooled down cooked pasta before you start adding stuff into it. Then adding some mint, some feta cheese. I add a little bit of za'atar seasoning. If you have oregano, that works too. Also, a splash of vinegar or lemon juice at the end is helpful with a really nice tang if that Greek dressing is not tangy enough to your liking. You want to mix that up, and then you want to store this in the fridge overnight to enjoy all week. It's important to help those flavors meld together a little longer. So I hope you like this recipe. It's one of my favorites, and it's great when you have a busy week ahead of you. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.